Bismillah, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Okay, so basically, I want to present my presentation about a motivation letter by me, Muhammad Arkandi Syaputra Santosa, from IDN Boarding School. You know lah which sector? So, I major in software engineering. I will be applying for a QA engineer intern, which is exclusively in SDK. I will get into that better so you can have a better explanation. Also, I will be contributing to the company named Nextafers. Okay, next one. So, my personal background is a final year software engineering student, which is in IDN boarding school Solo. So, in this is actually my second year in software engineering, which in the next year I will be in PKL and I will work on the jobs that will accept me in many ways, yada yada yada. Then the field of interest I am in is the QA, which is quality assurance and SDK development. So as you can see here, the quality assurance is like you are testing on some sort of application. So for example, uh, this feature, this feature maybe it's broken. So this is the job that I'm currently working with. So if there is, I need to search for a broken feature or a bug, and then therefore I can report it, and then fix it I can fix it inside of the code editor or a programming application that the company uses. So that is basically what is called the assurance is. You become a bug seeker, a bug hunter, I'll say. And SDK development is basically you update the bug on what is the broken thing. For example, this drop down is broken. So that is your job to fix it by yourself. Like how do you find the job? How do you find the bug? And then how did you manage to find the bug? And then what is the solution? And then what is expected? And what is the outcome of the solution? What is the outcome of it? And then I am passionate about ensuring secure, reliable, and seamless SDK experiences for millions of players through meticulous testing and quality assurance. So basically, I will not I will not expose to the bug online in social media like X, Instagram, YouTube, and other stuff. So it will be make me a reliable appliance, and I will be seamlessly moderating through the SDK of the application that makes sure that the players that are using the application uh, are entertained. Next, skill and competencies that I have for these technical skills are these below. You can read it by yourself because I won't read it by myself. I also feel the requirements of the databases and then the test automations with the Python and all of that stuff. I also get taught by IDN with professional skills like discipline, teamwork, quick learner, and code review excellence. I will be also be assisted by the power of AI, which makes things a little bit more easier for me than just basically waving around. I will be focusing on producing clear, maintainable test artifacts with also readable documents so that it will be easier for the developers to check on what is really changing. So the next one, yeah, why I am choosing next first. So actually, I actually like to find jobs on ChatGPT. I like to search jobs related to what I am interested with, which is like the next first. So I just randomly type on my ChatGPT, hey, can you look for a job in this company? And then I found this exact company. I will provide the actual company in the description if you want. And then I will do the industry excellence, which is contribute to the SDK quality. Like maybe there's an update version, I will produce from the boomer code to the meta codes. And then I will provide the other people that work in there to have a humanly interacts as possible. And uh, I will be active in the community and some other stuff. And then I will be have a specific passion on the mapping integration flows. It's the secure stuff, and then tracking issues through to resolution from the basics and from the details. And then the next is the internship objective. So my primary goals is, of course, basically to contribute to the SDK, because if I don't have a contribution, that means I don't have an impact in the community. And then I will just be disclose about the application of what the changes are away from the public. And then I will learn from the experienced engineers for the SDK type of stuff. If I have some questions, I will be asking them. And for the deepened expertise in SDK testing methodologies, I will be also frequently asking questions to the higher ups of my, maybe like my managers that knows how to QA, because I will not be cluelessly just wandering around and then somehow break stuff. So I will be asking my mentors. I will also help to make a positive impact if there are any negative influence during the community discussion type of stuff. And then my contributions I want to offer is testing tools and automation, the fixing API and integration testing, and backend system inspection, and bilingual documentation. Like I said before, maybe programmers is really lazy to make a documentation, but I myself like documentation. I like reading, so I will be really approve of making a documentation by myself. I'll be also using the help of AI too. Okay, the next one. I I will be ready in 3 to 6 months internship period. Of course, this is unpaid. I won't be giving my work for free. Obviously, this can be managed either for 9 months, 1 year, or others, based on the company needs. My work attitude is fast learner like before, learn quickly and very easy to adapt since I am grown in basically hard surroundings. Yeah, and then I also appreciate suggestions from other developers, or maybe they have a critic about my workflow. I can just fix that and try to be better for the next contributions. My personal values are the precision, discipline, reliability, and innovation. I I will just point on the reliability, because you can just give me anything and then I'll just work on it, because I basically have nothing to do besides testing, of course. So that's all from me. I'm ready to contribute for the next Staff versus company, and I hope I can join to the bro. I can join to the community, and yeah, that other stuff. Thank you for your time and consideration. Let's build our quality together. You can access my contact info from LinkedIn Arkan Eden, or emails from Arkan Eden too. I will put my infos on the description below if you are interested. Or yeah. So that's all from me. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.